Sustainable architecture isn't just a trend. It's a transformative approach to how we design, build, and live. It harmoniously blends the built environment with nature, ensuring our structures complement ecosystems, not compete with them. This balance is crucial in tropical, disaster-prone areas like the Philippines, where climate resilience, ecological health, and human well-being must be prioritized. Embracing sustainable architecture is not merely an option. It's essential for a thriving future. Designing with the site and climate first is paramount. Sustainable projects understand their natural context, preserving ecosystems and following natural drainage patterns. Buildings are oriented to harness prevailing winds and natural daylight, using passive design strategies like shading and cross-ventilation. This reduces dependence on mechanical systems, lowers energy consumption, and creates comfortable spaces, a cornerstone of the global green building movement. Harnessing natural light, air, and water is key. Thoughtful orientation and window placement allow daylighting without overheating. Open courtyards, operable windows, and ventilation stacks promote air movement, while rainwater harvesting and permeable paving mimic natural hydrological cycles. Local projects like Paseo Verde at Real explicitly integrate natural and cross-air ventilation and rainwater harvesting. Bringing nature into the built fabric means creating a harmonious relationship between living systems and human spaces. Green roofs and walls cool buildings and promote biodiversity. Courtyards and landscape public areas act as lungs for urban neighborhoods. Native plantings support local ecosystems. Innovative projects like Primavera residences exemplify biomimicry for enhanced ventilation and thermal comfort. Material choices respect people and planet, prioritizing local materials with low embodied energy and avoiding harmful substances. This reduces carbon emissions and fosters healthier indoor environments. Green building rating systems like Verde, Philippine Green Building Standard, and LEED, International Standard, provide benchmarks for excellence. Verde assesses performance across energy, water, materials, and indoor environment quality tailored for Philippine conditions. LEED is widely used globally. Other systems like EDGE and BREEAM extend sustainability assessment across life cycle and ecological performance. Philippine success stories include Aria Residences, Paseo Verde at Real, 7/NEO, and ADB Mandaluyong, demonstrating how green design brings harmony to life. Sustainable buildings foster a harmonious relationship between people and environment, incorporating natural light, lush greenery, and shaded outdoor spaces for mental and physical health. Toward regenerative architecture. Achieving harmony in sustainable architecture is a deliberate, quantifiable, and regenerative process. By integrating natural systems, employing responsive design, and adhering to standards like Verde and LEED, we craft environments that honor climate, foster biodiversity, and enhance human well-being. In the Philippines, these principles are essential for creating buildings that harmonize with their surroundings rather than dominate them.